Hey everyone, how's it going? Today I want to show you guys how to draw a really cool looking prehistoric animal, and that is called the Andrewsarchus. Now, this is a really cool animal. It kind of looks like the cross between a tiger and a wolf, and it stood even taller than a human being. So I thought it'd be cool to show you guys what this creature looked like. So to start off with this, we're going to begin with the eyes. So starting right here, I'm just going to draw a line that's just going to kind of curve up and down. And then I'm just going to kind of do the same thing at the bottom. Now, starting right here, I'm going to draw a little line that just kind of curves up and down for a little ridge above the eye. And then starting right here, I'm going to make a line that's just going to kind of go down. They have a really long snout, and then it's going to kind of curve back where the nose would be. Then I'm just going to make a little line that's going to kind of curve around here for their big nose. Then starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to go down, and then I'm going to kind of curve this up, kind of like a little bit of a snarl, and I'm going to draw this down. Then starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to go down, and I'm going to go all the way down to like the same length. And then you just want to kind of curve this around, and I'm just going to bring this up right to about here for the jaw. Now, I'm going to leave a little bit of space, and I'm going to draw a line that's going to kind of curve up. It's going to come to a point and curve down for the ear. And then right here by the eyebrow, I'm going to draw a line that's going to go straight up to the ear. Now they have kind of like this little ridged back. It gets kind of high and it's really furry. So I'm going to draw these lines up, and I'm going to put these little kind of pointy little curved lines, and I'm going to slowly get down. Then starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to kind of curve down. And I'm going to go all the way down here to kind of form a tail. Then starting back up here, I'm going to draw a little line that's going to kind of curve up and then down for the neck. Then for this arm or leg, I'm going to draw a line that's going to go down, and then it's going to kind of curve out, and it's going to curve around like this. Make a little line that's going to kind of curve up and down. Add another little curved line here. And then I'm just going to kind of bring this leg back up and then kind of curve it up here. Now starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to go down. It's going to jump over here and then go right down to here. I'm going to make a line that's just going to kind of go down, and then it's going to curve back. And then I'm just going to make this line go right up here. Then starting here, I'm going to make a line that's going to curve down, and then it's going to go up like this. Then right here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to go down, and it's going to kind of come back at an angle, almost kind of like a little boomerang shape. Make a line that's going to curve up, down, that's going to come back for the foot. And then I'm just going to draw a line that's going to kind of curve up. It's going to come in and then curve up here. Then starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to curve down. I'm going to jump over, and I'm just going to go down to here. Make a little line that's going to curve down. It's going to go over. And then I'm just going to bring it right up to about here. Then starting here, I'm going to draw a long line that's just going to go down. It's going to kind of curve and connect here for the tail. Now right here, I'm going to add another little curved line for another toe. Same thing here, and then one right here as well. Then in the mouth here, I'm going to add a lot of like skinny, sharp teeth. They have lots and lots of sharp teeth here. And then I'm going to do the same thing at the bottom. Lots of little triangles. I'm going to add a little line that's going to kind of curve around here. Then I'm going to add another little curved line underneath the eye. Then right up here, I'm going to add a couple little kind of curved lines along the nose. And then I'm going to add kind of like a little broken line right around the top and the bottom of the mouth. I'm going to add a little curved line inside the ear just to show some detail. And then at the end of all the toes, I'm going to color in a little line just for the claws. I'm going to do one right up here too. Then I'm going to give them a little pupil, just kind of color in most of a little black dot. And then they kind of have like tiger stripes on them. So starting back here, I'm just going to draw some really long, kind of curved lines that are kind of different sizes, going different directions, just for some tiger stripes on here. So I'm just going to kind of fill up this whole back area here and just kind of put all these different stripes on there like you would a tiger. Okay. And then right up here, I'm going to just kind of add a little bit of like a curved line kind of coming around here. Just kind of show that they have like almost like a big mane up here. Then I'm going to add a couple little kind of curved lines right around here just to kind of form out the face a little better. And then I'm going to add a few little dots over here. And then I'm going to add a bunch of little long lines kind of coming out of here for like whiskers. And there you go. There is your drawing of the prehistoric animal, the Andrewsarchus. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.